What's up guys, it's Don Quixote, and in this video I'm going to talk about custom sets in the FX panel. To create a custom set, open the quick menu by clicking on this icon and click on the custom set button. You can also go to panel settings and then navigate to the third item. So click on the create set button to create a set, and let's give this a name. Let's say Don Quixote style. And I want to combine some of my actions, camera raw filters and bundles to create my own Don Quixote style set. So first of all, I'm going to select actions and I'm going to add the dodge and burn and frequency separation action, which I created. I'm going to select scripts. I have a script where I can save stuff to my server. I also have, of course, my own looks. So I'm gonna put this one, this one, this one, and this one here, and maybe another black and white stuff. So once you've selected all those presets, they will appear here. And the nice thing about sets is that you can define your custom order. So I know that I'm going to start with the frequency separation, do some dodge and burn stuff. The save to server will be the last because in between I will try to add some looks. And now that the set is done, I just go back to my list view, and within the quick finder I can now see my Don Quixote style in the correct order. If you don't see the set, make sure that the set filter is activated. And if you want to delete a set, go back to the panel settings, select the set you want to edit, and click on the X icon right to the name field.